Hey guys, I'm excited about this one. This is a great giveaway that 2 lucky people will get in on. You guys know what it is? It's the rim guard locks. If you guys remember, I did a video on those. I got 2 sets here to give away. I got the black ones and I got the silver ones here. So depending on what color wheels you have, I have 1 of each. Here's the silver ones, or gray. Identical, these are identical. These fit the OEM wheels, if you guys remember. Great quality, I'm a firm believer of these. Give you some peace of mind. Wheel theft is a huge thing, especially on the Accords for some reason, but it's a good way to prevent that. This will definitely slow a thief down. And here's the black ones. So, how I'm gonna do this here. I have these 2 sets to give away. So the steps to do it's really basic here. If you remember my video I did before, click this link right here. You're gonna go to the video, the install video, write in the comments on that video why you deserve these. And then tell me which ones you want, silver or the gray or the black. Okay, I'm gonna run this through December 10th. So that gives everybody a fair chance here, and it's gonna be totally random. I'll do another video announcing the winners. Of course, when I do the first black pair and then the gray pair, I have to kind of do one, pick the winner of that one, then the gray one, for sure. But then I'll do a video, reach out to me in the message, in my email, I'll put my email in there, so you can message me back, get your address, and I'll ship them right out to you. You don't have to worry about anything. It's a great time to get these, guys. I'm happy I can be able to do this for you. There's a lot more things coming, so definitely stay tuned. But I want to help 2 lucky people out here. So definitely click that link, watch the video, comment why you want them, the color you want, and I will do on December 10th, I'll announce it on here. I'll do another video and announce it for you guys, okay? So I hope this gives you a chance, somebody to get in on this. If not, pick yourself up a set 2. They're great, they're totally worth it, the investment. I would definitely recommend them. Because one of those things is insurance policy, guys. You want your car getting all messed up, someone trying to jack the rims on it too. So thanks again, everybody, for your support. It's been a great ride so far. If you haven't liked and subscribed, I appreciate that. And definitely stay tuned. We'll get the results out there as soon as possible. Like I said, December 10th, I'll launch a video. I'll tell you the winners. So I'm excited, guys. Excited for you guys to get in on this. I appreciate it. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Thanks so much again. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So until next time, can't wait to see ya. Have a great day.